Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Choosing between KeepKey and Armory, which crypto wallet reigns supreme? Links to both products are provided in the description below. This video breaks down the features, strengths, and ideal use cases for each wallet, helping you decide which best suits your cryptocurrency management style. KeepKey presents a hardware wallet solution prioritizing security and ease of use. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins, KeepKey caters to users with diversified portfolios. Its sleek design, large screen, and intuitive interface make it particularly beginner-friendly, especially for those new to hardware wallets. KeepKey's seamless integration with Shapeshift facilitates in-wallet exchanges without needing third-party platforms. As a hardware wallet, private keys are stored offline, providing robust protection against hacking and online threats. However, the lack of mobile compatibility and reliance on desktop applications might not suit users seeking on-the-go access. Armory, conversely, is a software wallet designed for advanced Bitcoin users. It offers top-tier security, including multi-signature support and cold storage options, making it a prime choice for managing substantial Bitcoin holdings. Armory grants granular control over private keys, enabling advanced features like custom transaction settings and offline signing. However, its complexity and exclusive focus on Bitcoin might deter beginners or those holding a diverse range of cryptocurrencies. This wallet is best suited for tech-savvy users who prioritize security and customization above all else. The ideal wallet ultimately depends on your individual requirements. KeepKey is perfect for users seeking a secure, beginner-friendly hardware wallet supporting multiple cryptocurrencies. It's an excellent option for long-term holders prioritizing peace of mind and simplicity. Armory, on the other hand, caters to advanced Bitcoin users who require robust security features and greater control over their transactions and private keys. It's a powerful tool for those comfortable navigating more complex systems. In summary, KeepKey excels as a user-friendly, multi-crypto hardware wallet, while Armory is tailored for Bitcoin enthusiasts with advanced security needs. Let us know in the comments below, what's your preferred wallet?